Now, what would we do with this one? How would we mark this snake? What do we do?
I think engineering technology is what engineering was maybe 20 to 30 years ago. It's a real emphasis on applications.
It's applying problem solving along with those technologies. So it's not just pushing a button and getting the answer. It's actually using applied reasoning.
It's for those types of people who are often asking, how come? What if? Could I make this better, faster, easier? For the inquisitive mind is really what engineering technology is all about.
Engineering technology, we actually get to design and build it and see how it does if we have to make modifications. So it's a more hands-on engineering than just straight up engineering.
You're going to wire up this cable. It's going to be an analog channel, so I'll go through that in a second. I would say the key word is applying. We're more focused on getting stuff out in the field, hands-on experience. We're much more lab-driven, really putting the tools on something along with the classroom, learning it.
In my own case, I may do some design work on a machine and actually build the parts that I design.
Definitely hands-on, maybe not so much as actually swinging the hammer for a construction company, but working for the construction company instead of the designers.
Yeah, it was because he was using the neutral. So you can take that up to about 120. We live in a society where it's very difficult to repair things in the field, so we actually get engineers ready to do applications to solve real-world problems. How do we get things to work, and how do we fix existing issues from an engineering perspective?
You do a lot more hands-on things all the way through your 4 years. It's not just labs here and there, it's big projects all the way through.
It's nice to see how everything fits together, how you can design it in a computer, and then see how it will work and what will work and what doesn't, seeing if you need to make different tolerances, bigger, smaller.
By the time we leave here, companies know that we've had these labs. We haven't just seen this on paper, but we've actually put a screwdriver on something, hooked the wires up, and seen what you've designed run in a lab environment.
It might have looked good in the book, it might have looked good on paper, but in reality, we've got to tweak this a little bit. So it's really for the problem solver.